Hello, today we are making balsamic sauteed mushrooms with delicious hummus. Here's how to make it. Get your food processor. In its container, add 2 cups of cooked chickpeas, 3 heads of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin, juice of a 1 medium-sized lemon, 5 tablespoons of tahini, a pinch of salt. Then briefly process the ingredients and add 5 tablespoons of water, then process again. And add 1/4 cup of olive oil slowly and continue with processing until you get a smooth texture that is not too liquidy. Next, pour a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan and add sliced mushrooms in while hot. Saute the mushrooms over high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar before mushrooms absorb their water completely. And also add 2 heads of garlic by crushing it. This way mushrooms will absorb the spicy liquid that will give them the flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of butter on the mushrooms. Turn off the heat and give them a stir. Add some freshly grounded pepper, and lastly 3 to 4 stems of chopped parsley. Finally, let's proceed with plating. You can choose to serve hummus with some paprika olive oil as we did here. Put the balsamic sauteed mushrooms on top of it. The nice thing is that this meal can be eaten hot or cold. You can make this ahead and preserve it in the fridge for a quick meal. We suggest serving this delicious dish with our chicken fennel recipe. You can click the link up right to watch. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked it and tell us in the comments what would you like to see us make in the next videos. Until then, subscribe and be a member of our club.